Okay, hey boys and girls, listen, you have available to you today to finish your math assignment on Google Classroom. I put a copy of this, and so it helps you to fill in all the way to 100. Okay, so let's take a look at our math pages for today, and it is 287. Okay, you're going to do page 287 and 288, which is just addition and subtraction. We've done this before, nothing new there, okay? You're also then going to do 289 and the back side of it, which is 290, okay? So let's take a look at this first one. Let's read the directions together. It says, write the numbers 1 through 100 in vertical columns, okay? Start at the top of each column and move down. So vertical means up and down. And then it says, ring the bottom row of numbers. Say these numbers in order to count by tens. Okay, so again, I'm going to use my blue pen, and we're going to start at the top of each column and move down. So I'm not going to do this all the way with you, but I want you to get an idea of what you need to do. So I'm going to start at the top of the vertical column, which is here, 1, and they've done the next one for us, 2, and we're going to go all the way down. So they've given us a head start. Let's finish it, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they've given us 10. So now, boys and girls, when you're doing this, I really want you to take your time and practice writing your numbers, making sure that you're not turning your numbers the other way around. It happens. It totally happens because we're so focused on getting the number right that sometimes the skill of getting it written the right way, sometimes we lose that because we're so focused on the number order. So sometimes one part of your brain is working harder than the other, and it overtakes the other. It's okay. We just have to train our brains to know that we know how to do it, and we can focus on doing it the right way. And you have this to double check with you, right? Are your 3s going the wrong way? I don't know. Check it and see, right? Check to make sure there's everything around you to show you numbers, okay? So now I have to come up to this one. Okay, so I did all the way down to 10. I go back up to 11. What comes after 11? 12. So I'm going to write again, 11, write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, okay? And if you're having a problem with your 3s, the first time you write a 3, I bet you'll find that every number on here has a 3 in it. So once you have written the 3 correctly, you just go back and check. Say, oh, no, I wrote it over here, but I need to turn it around. Okay? So you're going to do that all the way to 100. And when you're done, remember columns go top to bottom. When you're done, they want us to circle the bottom row and count by tens. So ring or circle. I'm going to do it now, but I'm not done. I'm just doing it to show you. Okay? So there we go. When you're very done and you've filled this all in, you're going to ring the very bottom row, and it will be by tens. So you're going to count out loud to your kitten, to your dog, to your mom, dad, to the lizard, to the hamster, to the fish, whoever, to your stuffed animal, whoever you have, I want you to count as loud as you can by 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Okay? Now when you turn the page, you're going to do something very similar. Except instead of writing from top to bottom, we're going to write in rows. Remember, rows go side to side, okay? So I'm looking at the next page, Okay, and I'm going to read the directions. So read with me. Put your finger on the first word. The first word is write the numbers 1 through 100 in horizontal side to side rows. Ring the last column of numbers. Say these numbers in order to count by tens. So let's do the first one together. Start 1, 2, and I have to go all the way across, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, we're just putting it in number order. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and they've done 10 for us, okay? So now we're gonna go this way, all the way across, and then we do 11, 12, and keep going. Now what they want you to do is to ring this column over here. So I'm going to put a ring around that column. You have to fill all the numbers in for me. And when you're done, again, I want you to count by tens all the way down, okay? Using a 100 chart is something that you begin to use in kindergarten, but you'll continue to use until about the 3rd grade. So it's a really great way of working on counting by 5s, counting by 10s, counting by 2s. And it really helps you to know those numbers all the way to 100. Super important. Okay, and you guys are math wizards. You guys are fantastic with your math. So that's all you have to do today. So get to work.